Okay, so we're going to talk about how to restore your VA eligibility. Well, there's a couple ways you can do this. You can sell a home that you currently own that's on a VA loan, or you can refinance that home into a conventional loan. If you're going to turn that into a rental property and you want to buy a new home and use the VA loan with zero down to buy the new home. So what you want to do is you either want to get the documents showing you've sold that home so you can renew that VA eligibility, or you want to refinance that home, which will renew that VA eligibility as well. Feel free to reach out to us if we can answer any questions for you further. Keep in mind, VA loans, we do specialize in those, and you want to make sure with that new VA loan that you have enough eligibility to purchase that property depending on what loan amount you're going to, in case you're trying to buy a more expensive house than what you have now. Thanks, hope to see you on the next one.